Can technology help me build a sensor that can alert authorities about leaks in main water pipes? Can we build a technology that can help us increasing the longevity of food items? When we think, we innovate. When we innovate, we solve real-world problems. To realize Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Bharat being the next global innovation hub, the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell has been organizing the Smart India Hackathon for the last 6 years, which has now acted as a seed, nurturing a dynamic ecosystem that can incubate innovative ideas at their nascent stages and turn them into a fruitful, scalable ventures, paving the way for Viksit Bharat at 2047.
मुझे खुशी है कि देश की नौजवान पीढ़ी देश के सामने मौजूदा चुनौतियों के सॉल्यूशन देने के लिए दिन रात एक कर रही है। पहले जो हैकेथॉन्स हुए उनसे मिले सॉल्यूशंस बहुत कारगर रहे हैं। हैकेथॉन्स में शामिल कितने ही स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने स्टार्टअप भी शुरू किए हैं।
This year's Smart India Hackathon is even bigger and better. The innovation movement that started with Smart India Hackathon has now resulted into multi-dimensional programs focusing on 4 key aspects. Long-term hand-holding of institutions and young innovators. To facilitate hand-holding, the institution's Innovation Council has been established in more than 14,500 higher educational institutions, along with conducting 3.2 lakh programs on ideation, pitching concepts to investors, etc. The IIC also tracks the progress of institutions and young innovators throughout the year. Considering the success of IICs, School Innovation Councils are also established in over 13,000 schools. SICs are working in close collaboration with the Atal Innovation Mission and Tinkering Labs for a more comprehensive impact. Right policy intervention to incentivize innovation and entrepreneurship. MIC launched the National Innovation and Startup Policy for students and faculty to incentivize them to pursue the path of innovation and entrepreneurship. To strengthen the framework further, the School Innovation Policy was also released in collaboration with CBSE, training faculty as innovation ambassadors. MIC has trained 38,000 plus college faculty and 25,000 plus school teachers as innovation ambassadors who are our on-ground change agents. Protecting intellectual property. Kapila provides assistance to innovators with patent registration and IP protection. After the introduction of Kapila, there has been 230% increase in IP filing. Apart from intangible benefits, SIH has resulted in many tangible outcomes. Large number of startups have spun out of this initiative. Many government departments have successfully adopted the ideas of SIH.
Smart India Hackathon 2023 was really a life changer for us. The product that I developed in Smart India Hackathon, which led me to a winning team, is AutoHaul, which is an autonomous hauling system that is to be retrofitted in the existing dumpers that is used in the mines for ore transportation.
मेरे एडटेक प्लेटफॉर्म का नाम है द स्पेशल स्कूल, जिसमें कि जितने भी स्पेशली एबल्ड बच्चे होते हैं जैसे कि ब्लाइंड, डेफ, डिसलेक्सिया, सेरेब्रल पालिसी और वॉइसलेस बच्चों को हम लोग असिस्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से शिक्षा प्रदान करते हैं।
We were so impressed by the quality of students and the solution approach they offered that we announced a special internship drive among the finalists of our problem statements.
So SIH has really helped the Ayush sector to create the startup ecosystem and also innovative ecosystem in this sector.
A recent study by IIT Delhi on various MIC initiatives revealed that valuation of the ideas fostered in our HEIs is more than 15,000 crore. What started as a national level hackathon has helped build a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship. Smart India Hackathon. Jai Anusandhan, Jai Bharat.